Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty traders, so I want to give you a quick update on what's happening with the stock market right now and what's going on right now with this. Now, I'm just going to focus on the Dow Jones in this video here, make it short, sweet, and help you guys out. Now, what's happening right now with the Dow Jones? When you're looking at the market, okay, there's two different types of phases that the markets go through. It goes through a directional phase, and then it goes through a resting phase. Okay, directional phase, resting phase. Now, where are we right now? Are we in a directional phase where the market's moving in either up or down, or are we in a resting phase? We're in a resting phase, right? Now, there's a couple of different scenarios that happens in this resting phase here. There's where it goes really small bars, resting phase, okay, or it's volatile. Either, it's a very, 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 very bad time, a very unpredictable time to start trading or trying to trade. Because as you can see, right, very, 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 very volatile. This is where we're going through still a bit of a resting phase, right? It's not going up, it's not going down, and so on and so forth. So as we can see here, right, by looking at the Dow Jones and by looking at what's happening here with the Dow Jones, we're still going through this resting phase here. So it's going to be really interesting to see what's coming next out of this here, right? Because when I'm looking at this here and I look at what's going on there, if I bring up my weekly chart, let me bring up my weekly chart here. As you can see, right, my weekly chart looks very, very toppy in the markets right now on the weekly basis. What I mean by that is that you have this high, we had this false breakout here, we broke below the support, this support line here, and now we're testing resistance. So if we do start to fill in a bit more here and then we start to roll over, that's going to spell a lot more downside to come out of this here. So it'll be really interesting. Now again, we're looking at the weekly chart here, but it'll be really, really interesting to see what's going to happen here in the markets. Now, question for you guys. Right now, we're going through a bit of a resting phase. Obviously, we don't know where it's going to break, but if we do go for a big break up, then we're likely to continue that direction for a short time frame, probably make even new highs. But if we break down and if we break down below 2,500, then that's going to sell. Sellers in control, and then we're likely to continue down. Now, I know I'm going to get some smart ass in the comments saying, "Oh, dude, John, if it breaks up, it's likely to go up. If it breaks down, it's like no. What I'm saying is, when we get the break out, right, that's likely to be the start of a move in that direction. If we get a break down below the support, 25,500. That's when we're likely to continue down. So let me know in the chat box below, are we actually forming one big massive top here? Or is this whole thing just one big sideways movement before we go for another big run? Hey traders, before you go, make sure you head on down to johnsfreegift.com because I'm giving away a brand new trading course. It's 10 videos long, over 12 hours long. We've got the foundations, we've got chart reading strategies, we've got a couple of different trading systems there, the mindset, the differences between people who do really well and people who don't do well, and so much more. If you're struggling with your trading right now, then you need to get access to this trading course. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now to get free access to this complete trading course right now.